welcome back to my YouTube channel. Wish you all a Merry Christmas, and today I'm going to show you this exciting Christmas inspired makeup look which I have created for you all. So stay tuned.
So let's get started with the Fix Plus. We're gonna splash it all over my skin to refresh it and hydrate it. Next, I'm going to use the Photo Finish Primer to minimize my pores to help me blur out any kind of texture on my skin. Also, it's a little mattifying product, so make sure your skin is very well hydrated. Now I'm going to use the LA Pro Girl concealers and a red lipstick for my eye makeup. First, let's start with the concealer on my eyelid. This is going to help me prep my eyelids and also brighten a little bit. Simply blend it with the fingers. Now let's do it on the other eye, repeating the same technique. Using Feel So Grand liquid lipstick to create my eyeliner look inspired with red color. Going to use an eyeliner brush and going to draw an extended crease line. As you all have seen me before recreating such liner looks. These kind of looks makes your eyes looks bigger, longer and much more defined. You all can see now how beautiful it looks. Repeating the same on the other eye as well. Make sure you try to balance the shape and the symmetry. Now using the same concealer, I'm going to help cover up my under eyes or any kind of pigmentation onto my skin. These concealers are super lightweight, gives you a very nice natural look. I'm mixing two shades, one darker and one lighter to create my customized concealer tone. Now I'm simply going to take a brush and pat it down and make sure it's giving me enough coverage. Now for my foundation, I'm going to use the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation. This gives you a beautiful luminous glowing skin look and I'm absolutely loving this product. You just need a buffer brush and just blend it around to your skin and you can see this amazing glow given by this product, and it is also very natural wearing product, so great for the people who are not looking for something which is too heavy for the skin. Do not forget your neck and the forehead. Using MAC lip balm on my lips. Doing a little bit of concealer to cover up more. This technique allows you to lift up the under eye or any kind of under eye hollowness. I'm simply going to use my finger this time to pat it because of course we do not want too much of product. I've got a big pimple onto my face. I'm going to show you how to cover up. Use a little bit of darker color and then a little bit of lighter color and just pat it. It's covered. I'm going to use the loose pigment from MAC along with NYX glitter glue. Going to take one drop of glue and draw out as an eyeliner on my eyes, and then we will stick down a glitter on top of that. Now if you are not a pro, I would recommend putting lots of loose powder underneath and then do so. If there are any fallouts, it makes it easy to clean. Otherwise you can use a little bit of the small tips and techniques which I'm going to show you next. Roll a little bit of sellotape and roll it underneath your eye. It will stick down your glitters. Now I'm going to use my eyelash curler. I'm going to curl up my eyelashes. I'm going to use Bobbi Brown mascara. I'm going to help my lashes open up and length up a little bit. Keep layering as required. Let's repeat on the other eye as well, making sure it's nicely done. It's giving you the eye opening effect, and also make sure you do not clumps it up because later we are going to use eyelashes. Do not forget your lower lashes as it's equally important. Now I'm going to set my makeup using the MAC Studio Fix Compact. Very little of the product underneath my eye, on the T-zone area, a little bit onto the mouth area, making sure everything is nicely sealed. Next I'm going to use the blush on, MAC Mineralized Blush On, Extra Dimension range. It gives you a beautiful glow but yet very soft color onto the skin. As it's more of a winter skin look, we would try keeping the blush very nice and healthy looking. Next for my eyebrows, I'm going to use the K-Beauty eyebrow pencil. I'm going to draw down my eyebrows, creating the natural shape and making sure it is well defined. Repeating the same on the other side as well. Now let's put some lashes. I'm going to use Huda Beauty Harmony Eyelash. These are the individual stack of lashes along with duo glue. I'm going to use the lashes only on the lower ends of my eyelashes. So take a little patch of the eyelash and stick it onto the lower lash line using an eyelash holder. Press it well to make sure that it sits in its place and keep checking in your compact mirror. Repeat the same on the other eye as well. Make sure both the eyes are looking symmetric. To merge my eyelashes and the falsies, I'm going to build up a little bit of mascara, making sure everything looks nice and even. And lashes are done. For lips, I'm going to use K-Beauty High Impact Lip Pencil. These lip pencils are super creamy in texture. They blend in so well. You can wear them just by itself. I'm going to fill in the lip pencil all over my lips and I'm going to make sure it gives you a nice fuller lip look. I'm going to add a metallic drop from K. I'm going to put a little bit of product on top of the lip pencil which we have applied, and this is something which will help you get a nice metallic shimmery lips. At the same time, it will help your lip color stay matte throughout the day. Lastly, we're going to use some face highlighter a little bit onto the top of my cheeks. We would also repeat the same on the other side. I'm not going overboard with the highlighter as my skin is already very dewy and luminous. A small tip to enhance your eyeliner: use a highlighter underneath the lines of your eyeliner. It helps you sharpen and lift it. Using the highlighters in the corner and on the eyebrows as well, and a little bit on the eyelids to make sure it pops up well.
Hope you all enjoyed watching this video, and if you like it, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Also press on the bell icon to be notified for my next video. Thank you. Bye.